Are you a digital nomad looking for banking options? Look no further. We'll explore what it takes to ensure secure and reliable banking when you're on the move. From how to open an international account and choose the most cost-effective provider to manage your finances from remote locations, these tips will help put your mind at ease and ensure that your money is always where you need it. We'll also shed light on the benefits of using a blockchain-based wallet and discuss ways to protect yourself against fraud while enjoying the convenience of cashless payments. With these valuable tips in hand, you'll be able to take control of your finances and enjoy peace of mind knowing that your money is always safe and accessible. Our recommendation: Wise. In our opinion, Wise, formerly TransferWise, is a must-have banking solution for all digital nomads. It often tends to be the choice for expats, especially those based in Southeast Asia. You can link with your existing bank account and add money to your Wise account from there. They also have a debit card that you manage directly from your mobile, lock card, change PIN, etc., and can use this in ATMs in 70 countries and can hold over 50 different currencies on your Wise account. As a digital nomad, this is really useful and a lot less risky than using your home bank's ATM card overseas, and if your Wise card gets lost or stolen, you can instantly lock it from either the mobile app or the Wise website. What banking options do digital nomads have available to them? Digital nomads have a wide range of banking options, depending on their needs and preferences. The most common banking options for digital nomads are international banking accounts, blockchain-based wallets, and mobile banking apps. When it comes to international banking accounts, digital nomads should look for banks that offer banking services in multiple countries and low or no banking fees. This will ensure that banking is convenient and cost-effective, no matter where you are. For those who prefer a more modern banking option, blockchain-based wallets offer a secure way to manage finances while on the move. Blockchain technology provides an extra layer of security, and many wallets offer features such as easy transfers and low transaction fees. Finally, mobile banking apps are an excellent option for digital nomads who want to stay connected with their finances while on the go. These apps provide access to banking services from anywhere in the world, including banking services such as deposits, withdrawals, transfers, and payments. How to open an international bank account as a digital nomad. Opening an international banking account as a digital nomad is a great way to keep your finances secure and accessible while on the move. Opening such an account can vary depending on the banking provider. Still, generally, it involves providing necessary documents, filling out forms, and setting up banking options such as deposits, transfers, and payments. When looking for banking providers, it is essential to be aware of banking fees and other banking restrictions. Some banks may require a minimum balance or impose certain banking restrictions, so it's important to read the terms and conditions before making any banking decisions. Furthermore, digital nomads should also research banking options in the countries they plan to visit. This will ensure that banking services are available and convenient, no matter where they travel. The benefits of using a blockchain-based wallet for banking. The benefits of using a blockchain-based wallet for banking are numerous. For starters, these wallets offer secure transactions and enhanced privacy due to the distributed nature of their system, meaning that no single party can control or access your funds. Blockchain-based wallets are often much faster than traditional banking systems, as transactions are processed almost instantly. This makes them ideal for those who need access to their funds quickly. Furthermore, blockchain-based wallets offer low transaction fees. This is because the system is not controlled by any banking institution or government, which means that banking fees are substantially lower than traditional banking systems. In addition, these wallets offer easy transfers and payments in multiple currencies, making them perfect for digital nomads who need to transfer money between different banking systems. Finally, blockchain technology offers enhanced security measures, making it virtually impossible for hackers or scammers to access your funds. This extra layer of protection makes blockchain wallets one of the most secure banking options. How to protect yourself against fraud while banking as a digital nomad. One of the most critical things digital nomads must do when banking is to protect themselves against fraud. Unfortunately, banking fraud can occur worldwide, and digital nomads must take extra steps to ensure security. The first step is to ensure that banking information like passwords, PINs, and banking cards are always kept secure. Digital nomads should also look out for suspicious banking activities and know how banking transactions are processed. Additionally, it is important to use two-factor authentication whenever possible and never give banking information to third parties. Furthermore, digital nomads should always keep their banking software up to date and monitor banking activity regularly. This will help to quickly identify any suspicious banking activities and take the necessary steps to protect their banking accounts. Finally, digital nomads should ensure they use banking services from reputable banking providers with reasonable security measures. Doing so will ensure that banking transactions remain safe and secure, no matter where digital nomads travel. How to choose the most cost-effective banking provider for digital nomads. When choosing banking providers for digital nomads, there are several factors to consider to ensure that banking remains cost-effective. Before committing to a banking service, digital nomads should research banking fees, withdrawal limits, and any restrictions that may be imposed, as these can vary significantly by the provider. It is essential to compare banking providers before deciding on banking fees can vary significantly, especially when banking in multiple countries. Additionally, digital nomads should consider the cost of transferring money between banking services, as some providers may offer lower fees than others. Finally, digital nomads should also research any additional benefits that banking services may provide, such as rewards programs, banking cards, and other banking services. These benefits can often be used to reduce banking costs and provide greater flexibility for banking on the go. By researching banking services and comparing banking fees from different providers, digital nomads can ensure that their banking remains cost-effective no matter where they travel. With these tips, digital nomads can enjoy banking with peace of mind knowing that their banking is secure and cost-effective. Tips for managing your finances from remote locations as a digital nomad. Managing your finances can be challenging when banking as a digital nomad, especially when banking from remote areas. Thankfully, there are several tips that digital nomads can follow to ensure their banking remains safe and secure while banking on the go. The first step is researching banking services before committing to any banking provider, which will ensure that banking costs, fees, and limits are kept to a minimum. Additionally, digital nomads should also consider banking options such as online banking or banking cards, as these can be particularly useful for banking on the go. Next, digital nomads must keep track of their banking activity to ensure their funds remain secure. This can be done by regularly reviewing banking statements and keeping tabs on banking activities when banking in foreign countries.